This course is about creating online support using Web 2.0 tools. My name is Jason Smith and I'll be your instructor. The first thing we have to get our arms around is what exactly we mean by Web 2.0. Now, many on the internet describe Web 2.0 as a platform for delivery, a place where decentralized collaboration occurs, where you as a user become the author of content. Places like YouTube and Flickr and blog sites have users on the internet that are creating content for the rest of the users on the internet to be a part of, to not only watch and read, but to also comment on or collaborate with. This is essentially different from how the internet used to look. Web 1.0 was essentially different than the internet today. Then there were very few creators of information, and we as users were passive. We were consumers of the text and graphics that were part of the internet. Things were static. There was not a lot of interactivity because of the constraints that were in place, not only from the programming language, but also from the speed of the internet. When people were on a dial-up connection, it was just not as easy to share video and audio files. But now that fiber optic networks are encircling the globe, it's much easier for people to be participants in what's going on. You'll notice from the word cloud that's pictured here, lots of terms that are associated with Web 2.0. So when you look in your browser today, you see that the types of sites on the internet are very different than they were previous to 2004. Google, for example, gives you a place where you can not only find maps but get directions and find business information and get satellite maps of the area, even street views of the places that you're looking for. Facebook, a place where social networking occurs, and you can involve friends and family into the most detailed minutia of your life. Places like Flickr, where you can share photos. Places like Wikipedia, where you can co-author documents or update information from your expertise or from your perspectives. What we're finding now is that as the internet has changed, it is becoming the source of everything. Democratic creation, a collective consciousness, a data store for all the little pieces of information we like to keep, and a dynamic and fluid place. You see, the filters are off, and the gloves are off too. We have open forums, open communications, and most importantly, this concept of open source. You see, Mac and Windows operating systems aren't the only games in town anymore. With languages like Linux and Java, people are able to create their own software applications to utilize data and information on the internet and share it in a way that's never been done before. Through this course, we'll explore many of these tools, but it's important for us to remember how Web 2.0 tools have changed the way that we'll operate.